Hi, Stan here. It's a nice, I guess, beginning of fall day, and just taking a look what's happened on the bank since I started working on it. There's the orchard over there. Dogs hear me and they're gonna bark. I got little steps I put in, kind of help me for anybody who wants to go down here. The DEC gave me some plants. They give me some nine bark, winterberry, pussy willows, red oak, and there's a nine bark right there. And the rest of them are over there with the winterberries. And these, I guess, let's see, that'd be the first, the second and third tiers. And I left this one here open and food for squirrels or chipmunks, that kind of critters that want it. This feeder keeps getting knocked down. Looks like something was trying to knock it down again, but it's still there. That's just compost stuff. Nasty. This tree I had to cut back quite a bit, right? Because it's getting way over here, and there's still plenty of it left. That actually, when they worked on the bridge, there was nothing but a root left there, and this is what grew up out of that root. Yeah, here's the winterberry. And I gotta see where the winterberry is over here.